What if adding just one simple habit to your daily routine could add up to 10 years to your life? No gimmicks, no miracle cures, just real science. Let me break it down for you. Every day, most of us spend over 10 hours sitting working at desks, scrolling on our phones, or watching TV. It sounds harmless, right? But the truth is, our bodies are quietly paying the price. Our hearts beat slower, our brains grow sluggish, and our immune systems weaken, all while we're barely moving. But here's the good news. Researchers at Harvard, the World Health Organization, and the Mayo Clinic all agree on this. A 30-minute walk every single day is powerful medicine. And I mean it. Just 30 minutes of walking reduces your risk of heart disease by 35%. Stroke risk drops by 27%. And your overall risk of dying from anything goes down significantly. Imagine that. Half an hour of walking and you've already stacked the odds in your favor. So what's actually happening inside your body? When you walk, your blood pressure drops almost instantly. Your brain releases BDNF, that's a protein that protects your memory and keeps your mind sharp. Your metabolism resets, your mood lifts, and your muscles get stronger, step by step. It's like a reset button for your entire system. Let's take a look at Okinawa, Japan, home to some of the world's longest living people. There, walking isn't something you schedule into your day. It's just life. Strolling through gardens, visiting neighbors, moving naturally from place to place. These daily walks are woven into the fabric of their lives, and the results are clear: more energy, sharper minds, and a decade more to savor life's moments. The best part? You don't need a gym membership. You don't need fancy gear. You just need 30 minutes, anytime, any place. Your legs are free medicine. Whether you're young, old, or somewhere in between, a walk can transform your health, one step at a time. So, do you want to live longer and feel better, starting today? Here's my challenge. Close this video, lace up your shoes, and just walk. Your future self will thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future better health.